Indian Railway has its own dignity. From the past till now, it bears a rich cultural heritage. And now I am at Asansol Railway Station uh, of the Eastern Zone. According to me, it is one of the finest specimen of art, one of the finest stations, and the designs and the decorations that we are having here are all from the scrap materials. It is really amazing, this is bike, and many other such things are here presented, and the decorations are really the specimen of finest craftsmanship. Uh, all these uh, all these things are really beautiful, and I think that this the art adds flavor to the beauty of the station. All through the stations is neat and clean, beautiful, well decorated. If you have a look of these things, it really charges your energy and give you the feelings of one of the finest stations that you have ever seen. This is the specimen of miniature steam engine. Uh, if you have a look of it, you will get a newer experience. There is a lotus, uh, finely decorated, and this frame, this specimen, is the restaurant, and I think this is the first time we see. It is called the restaurant on wheels. These compartments are the restaurant,
Yes, sir.
which is attached to the engine. Engine is called electron, and this is called the restaurant on wheels. Uh, if you have a look at the wall, this is a beautiful painting of industrialization, and this is a park for the children. Especially this station is